Here's a certified 2014 Chrysler Town & Country. Make the most of every trip with the versatility and efficiency of the world's most trusted minivan, the Chrysler Town & Country. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, multi-speed automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive reports the Town & Country is a great vehicle for families that need to haul kids and cargo on a regular basis. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.